What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering why am I dressed like this, and it's for one simple reason, because Uber is going to hate me for this. I'm going to be showing you how to get free food on Uber Eats or Uber Eats promo codes that are going to credit your account $100 or whatever in your local currency to spend across anything on the app. And it's super easy, guys. Anyone can do this. It takes a few minutes. You may have to just follow this tutorial to make sure you do it correctly, but hey, it's only going to take a short while and it'll be well worth it. So I'm going to be sharing my screen and putting the recording here so you can follow along and get your very own Uber Eats promo codes in 2023. Let me just start recording my screen and we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've got my mobile phone here and I've got the internet open and I've got Google here. So we just need to go to hotshotcodes.com. So in Google you can just type in hotshot codes, all one word, and you're looking for this #1 coupon site here, hotshotcodes.com. You can either do that or go to the website direct via www.hotshotcodes.com. When you reach the website, guys, just manually scroll down this page because for whatever reason that search function does not work. So scroll down and look for the Uber Eats page. Keep going. There we go. So Uber Eats promo coupon codes. Tap to open up the page. Let's see what codes there are for us, guys. Scroll down. So there's 2 codes that you can choose from. $100 credit towards your next Uber Eats orders, and there's also a get your next 3 food orders for free. So basically, guys, if you do smaller orders, the $100 account credit is going to be better for you. If you do large orders, then the 3 orders for free code may be better. Hope that makes sense, but just work out which one's going to be more beneficial. So in this case, I'm going to be showing you how to do the $100 account credit code, but hey, it works the same across any of these codes on the website. So let's click on show coupon code. And you can see this is a $100 off Uber Eats coupon code. You just apply this code in the promotions page and it's going to credit your account $100 or whatever that is in your local currency. So for me, it's Great British Pounds. It'd be around 80. So let's click unlock now to get the full code. And this is a verification step, guys. Basically, this protects the codes from robots and verifies that you're a real person, basically. So all we need to do here is complete 2 of these free tasks. And you're going to get a list of offers here ranging from sort of surveys and applications. Just complete 2 of them, guys. This is important because this verifies you're a real person. So I'm going to click on this survey and just answer the questions. And I need to input my email address. So I'll do 2 of these off camera because I can see we're already creating quite a long video here. So let me do these and I'll return and we'll see if it gives me my code. Boring. Okay, so I did just finish both of those offers on here. Just did 2 of them and made sure I fully completed them. And if you choose surveys, guys, just a tip here, make sure you put in your correct information because it does verify you're a real person. So if you put in your email, make sure it's your correct email address. If you put in false information, this won't work. So yep. Anyway, once you've done 2 of them, just go back to your tabs, go back to hotshot codes, and there you go. It's now given me my $100 Uber Eats code. I can literally copy as per normal and paste this into the promotions page on my Uber Eats app, and it's going to give me $100 or around 80 Great British Pounds to spend however I want. That is how you do it, guys. You do this the same way for the free food token as well, coupon as well. So just choose which one you want, do these steps and get your unique code. It takes a few minutes and you're going to save yourself potentially over $100. So that is how you do it, guys. This is the thumbnail. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Leave a comment if you need any help getting your code. Always willing to help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.